Okay, here we go. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock, idling in Gull Lake, about 10,000 RPM. As I engage, it'll putter out. And I just left the ramp. So it stalled when I went all the way. We'll try to go full throttle. So now if I ease into it, say throttle's about halfway, RPM drops and it just kind of bogs out. Backed off the throttle and it seemed to pick up. Now I'm going forward again and we're off. Advanced the throttle and I lost it. Backed it up. Advanced it again. Now I think I'm going. Nope, took it a little bit further and I lost it. So I'm just leaving it there, about 25,000 RPM. And I'm starting to go. Now I can advance the throttle.